Mihang'o-ini ya gutigirira thayu niwacokereria icigo-ini cia kaunti iria igumiirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri. Thirikari ugitiri ikwaragania mihunguru yothe marima na mitito kuria batoni cia wici wa mahiu iria ikoretwo ikiagagia aikari cirehitha.
We are taking this war to their hideouts by land and air.
Akiruguria ikereka ria keri ria firigisheni ria koretwo igithie na mbere, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ni arutite mukana wa thama akiuria aikari thiini wa icigo 27 iria igumiirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri thiini wa kaunti ya Baringo, Laikipia, Samburu, West Pokot na Turkana guthama na ihenya o tauria kwahoteka.
Having determined that dangerously armed criminals are holed up in difficult terrain, remote and inaccessible areas at the bottom of gorges, escarpments, caves, ravines, hills and forests. The public is hereby ordered to vacate immediately.
Imwe cia icigo kuria aikari moritio guthama ni irima-ini cia Korkoron, Tandare, Silale, kaunti-ini ya Baringo, oro ũndũ na mutito wa Mukogodo, Kamweje, Warero na Donyoriwo, kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Kaunti-ini ya Samburu, aikari makiurio guthama matura-ini ma Longewan, Nasur, Rochokia na Rekadar. Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Turkana, aikari makiurio guthama matura-ini ma Kapelbok na Kwamoru na Lebakat.
The above specified spaces are hereby declared scenes of crime, and any person found therein from Monday 13th March 2023, 8:30 hours, will be treated as a suspect of armed banditry.
Kindiki augite ihinda-ini ria mieri 7 mihituku Akenya 135 ni moragitwo ari hamwe na maafitha 20 a ugitiri.
This week alone, bandits have killed nearly a dozen civilians here in Malaso, including a senior chief who was killed not far away from here, and also in neighboring areas of Pura and Kurkuru.
Akinyita baru ikinya ria thirikari kwambatiria ikiro cia ugitiri bururi-ini, Minister wa ugitiri wa bururi Aden Duale ni oritie Akenya aria maikaraga icigo-ini iria kuri na uhaguku wa ugitiri kurutithania wira na honge cia ugitiri, akiagithia kiene tharikira cia ica ikuhi kuma kuri batoni cia wici wa mahiu oro ũndũ ũmwe na gikundi kia itoi cia Al-Shabaab.
For Kenya to prosper, for the economy to grow, for our children to go to school, we must have peace and security.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagugina, Wawaduro.